Hello friend, this is Richa Sharma. Welcome to my channel. Let's study with Richa. Today we will discuss teeth, the structure of teeth and all about teeth. Teeth, when a photographer asks us to say cheese, he actually wants us to smile. Clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful. They give proper shape to our face. Teeth helps us to speak clearly. They enable us to bite and chew food. This makes digestion easy. So if our teeth will not grow, then it will be very difficult for us to chew the food or to eat some foods we will avoid to eat because our teeth are not working properly. So we must have to care properly for our teeth. Now, so teeth are very important part of our body. Now, types of human teeth, like incisor, canine, premolar and molar. There are 4 types of teeth in humans. Kinds of teeth. First is incisor or cutting teeth. The 4 chisel-shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are incisors. Firstly, there are 2 jaws, lower jaw and upper jaw. Okay, I will show you the picture in next slides. Firstly, in each jar incisors, we use them to cut and bite our food. Here you can see in this picture, this canines or tearing teeth. On either side of the cutting teeth is the sharp tooth. These are canines which we use to tear pieces of food. Here you can see in the picture, canines are here near the incisors. These are used to tear the food, tear the pieces of food. Okay. Next is premolars or cracking teeth. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. These are the broad teeth next to the canines. Here you can see next to the canines there are these are yellow in color, are premolars. They are like nutcrackers. They are meant for crushing food. We use them for the crushing the food. Next is molars or grinding teeth. There are 6 molars in each jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. They are broader than the premolars and have broad upper surfaces to grind food. Okay, like here you can see in this picture, upper jaw and lower jaw. See here, central incisors, as I show you in the picture, canines just near the central incisors, there are canines, then second premolar and then second molar and premolar. Here you can see in this picture clearly. Then is lateral incisor, first premolar, first molar, third molar, and in lower jaw you can see second molar, second premolar, canine, central incisors. And here in this side, third molar, first premolar, lateral incisors. Here the all structure of in a lower jaw and upper jaw is explained. Which teeth are called premolars, which are called incisors, lateral incisors, central incisors, premolars, molars. Each teeth is explained in this picture. Structure of tooth. Now we will see the structure. A tooth has 3 parts: the crown, neck and the root. Tooth has 3 parts. First is crown, neck and the root. The crown is seen above the gum. Here you can see. Wait a minute. Next is enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Below it lies a dentine. Firstly, the outer part is called enamel, which is very hard, and then after is dentine. Inside the dentine is the pulp. Pulp is very soft. This is soft and has blood vessels and the nerves. Okay, pulp part is very soft and having the blood vessels and nerves. Have you ever seen that one person when the one kid or one person fell down, then if there is injury, then the blood comes, and this blood comes from these pulp portion. The nerve are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. Next is how you will clean your tooth. Care of teeth. If we take good care of our teeth, we can save them from decaying. Bits of food that remain stuck to the teeth can cause the growth of bacteria. What are the bacteria? These are the small insects which can cause the problem in our teeth. Bacteria first attack the enamel, the outer hard part of the tooth, and form a sticky coating called plaque. Okay. Then they attack the dentine, which is the inner part of the enamel, and finally the pulp. When the bacteria reach the nerves within the pulp, they cause pain. Now I think you understand why you sometimes feel pain in your teeth, because firstly bacteria attack on your canine part, then after dentine part, enamel part, then dentine part, and then pulp. When they attack on the pulp, that time you feel the pain. Tooth decay results in bad breath, cavities, toothaches, bleeding gums, and indigestion. Okay. Next is healthy food for teeth. Calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. Like always parents say that drink milk because it is good for your teeth. Foods like milk, eggs, cheese, and cottage cheese are rich sources of calcium. Vitamin C is present in oranges, guavas, papayas, tomatoes, and green leafy vegetables like spinach and cabbage. These foods are very good for the health of the teeth. Next, tips for keeping teeth healthy. Brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. You must have to clean your teeth before going to bed because you eat the whole day anything like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the healthy snacks, or even sometimes you eat fast foods. So you must have to brush your teeth before to sleep. Make sure that you move your brush both upward and downward. Use a dental floss to clean between two teeth. Wash your mouth after every meal. Do not have too many sweets or colas. Listen, whenever you take your meal, then after that some portion of food left in your mouth. So you must have to wash your mouth after your every meal, whenever you are taking your meal, any meal. Okay. Next is visit your doctors regular for checkups. Now let's summarize. Crown, the part of the tooth which is visible to us. Enamel, the outer white and hard layer of crown. Intestine, the hard layer below the enamel. Neck, the part of the tooth between root and crown. That portion between root and crown is called the neck. Just like you can see our neck, which is the part between our face and our chest. Root, the part of the tooth which is inside the gum. It mainly consists of pulp. Pulp is soft area within the center of the tooth which contains the nerves and muscles. So this was the concept of tooth. I hope you liked my session. So please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, students.